Hi, welcome to another SimuTech tips and tricks video. In this video, we'll show you how to export contours, contour plots from Maxwell or AADT or any electronics desktop software into a format that you could share with your colleagues, friends, managers, and people who do not use Ansys software. In Maxwell here, you could go to any contour you have, like flux density, and go to export plot and change the format to .case. And then choose the location you want to save your file. And then we can go into EnSight and then import your file, your .case file. In this case, I have a few files. I'm just going to include core loss. So I'm going to open those. Here you have your geometry shown. And then if you go to variables at the bottom, you could see your property. In this case, it's core loss. Just drag it onto your component. You could rotate it to look at it, make sure it makes sense. And then if you go to File, Export, Geometric Entities, and then you have a few options. Make sure you choose the .abz file, and then browse and export it into your location. After that, you could go into a web browser and then search for Ansys Viewer. It's a free software. It does not require a license. You could just share the link to any of your colleagues or whoever you're sharing the results with. Download it, and once you install it, you go into the software and then open your ABZ files that you just saved from EnSight. So here we have the losses that we just exported. Actually, this is flux density. And then you could rotate it, move it around. So this is what your colleagues can see if they want to. You could also do cross sections if you'd like. So here's what's common. In this case, we have the shell results. You could turn it on and off. You could also add annotations if you really want to. So in this case, let's say be high, whatever you would like to do. So that's something that could be useful. We could also do like a split screen mode where you could now import, let's say, a different property. So the one on the left is the flux density in the core, and then on the right we have the ohmic losses in the coils. Another thing we could do is synchronize view as shown here. So since these come from the same model, sometimes it could be nice to have synchronized through so that they're at the same zoom level and the same rotation. So that's something that could be useful and helpful for understanding the results. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this can be helpful for you.